Categories of glazing protection for sustainable facades in education. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we look at two main categories of glazing protection when designing sustainable facades in education sector. Safety, including protection from accidental human impact, and security, including protection from forced entry. Protective glazing utilized on schools will fall into one of two categories. First category is safety. This glazing is going to be code-driven. The intent is to provide for the safety of the occupants of the building. It could be tested to determine if it will hold up against someone falling against the glass, could provide protection for egress during a fire, or as the majority of these are tested to protect occupants from falling glass due to breakage, mainly from natural causes. Second type of glazing is called security glazing. This is designed to meet greater demands than safety glazing. These get into ballistic, blast, forced entry resistance. In most cases, these are voluntary standards that take the level of protection above what is required by code. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.